Hello everyone, my name is Abu Bakr Sleem and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be getting started with Scratch. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to write Scratch on the search engine and you will be directed to the website of the Scratch. I'll be sharing the link of this website with you. So first thing that you have to do is you have to create an account, and for that you will be clicking on this Join Scratch button. You have to choose a username. I'll be choosing my name and I'll be choosing a password. Must be okay. It should be 20 characters long or shorter. So I think that's fine. Yeah. So now I have to create a password. I'll be hiding it from you. And you have to click next button. You have to select the country. So I'm from Pakistan. I'll be selecting Pakistan, and you will be selecting whatever country you live in. You have to select your year of birth and month of birth, and after that, you have to select your gender, and you have to write your email ID. So this is how you can create an account. And after that, you have to click on this create button and you will be directed to the UI of Scratch where you can create your projects. So it will take 2 to 3 seconds, and after that a UI will be presented in front of you. So we'll be discussing about this UI in the upcoming video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like the video, please press the thumbs up button and please subscribe the channel.